Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good afternoon, evening, good morning, whatever. What up, Sovereignty? We back. We back. Let's go. All right, let me see here. I'm on the right account. I don't even know. 8038? I think so. I'm going to do this. I want a long here. Looks decent enough. Let's see what we get. A little late to this, but I'm just logging on, so what are you going to do, you know? What up, Doc Tito? 2 for 2 on gold tonight. Let's go. Show you kind of what we did on gold there. Just took a little gold win here. You see the ledge? Bam! One win there. See a little degeneracy from the afternoon. Just ignore that. And then over here on the funded account, we took this ledge here earlier. I skipped this ledge because it was the second test on the funded account. As you can see, we are about, I don't know, $40 away from daily payout. Let's go. 1 for 1, Doc Tito. Let's go. Keith, how's it going? So I got another buy down here at the 67.4. So we'll see what happens there. All right, out on those two. See what a little runner can do. See if we get a little runner going here. That's my jam right here from back in the day. What up, Timbo?
Home slice came in, he went satisfied, got bent balls.
Nope. Oh. Look at this picture of Husk on his thing. Look at this picture. See what I never seen before. What up, JJ? Miss Class stayed in that hall. Better yet, a holiday. I don't really want to go break even here. How many points is that? 15? Go at the top of the hour here in about 10 minutes. What up, Tony? As you guys come in, please hit the like button, subscribe. Actually, let's go for the lunchtime high here. If you ain't got no work. You don't know that song, Timbo? How do you not know this song, Timbo? Come on.
Man, lend me your eardrums. It was a beautiful day off in the neighborhood.
Oh. I can't help it. It's so good. This is like one of my favorite songs when I was a young adult. Probably like 16 years old. Futures trader in the house. Might get tagged in over here on this gold play. It looks like it wants to pull back. It's anything post 95, you don't engage. Yeah, this is probably about 95. Let's make 10K tonight. All right. 10K? You mean subscribers? We only need 754? Maybe. Maybe. I mean, here's the thing. We've beat this ledge to death here. Yeah, we beat that ledge to death. Look at this thing pull back. Wow. Lower high. I don't know. Do we just add? All right, we're just going to add to it. Let's add. Did it add us in there? It did. Where did that second? I don't know where the second one went. We're gonna go. Somewhere in there. We're not looking for a bunch of points tonight. Man, that 84.6 looks like it's about to pay again. What up, Chris? How's it going? See, look. What about this one, Timbo? Hold on. What about this one?
Slip right through my hand.
Little Travis Tritt.
It was all with the best of intention.
There it is. Where's your gun? We'll get something you like later on, Timbo. Just give it a little time. Give it a little time. We'll get you in there. What up, Francis? We'll get you in there. Don't worry. I didn't read Mancini's information tonight. He did reject off that 50 though. Interesting enough. On the ES. You probably heard Huss talking too. I forgot he was talking. ES bouncing here a little bit. Gold bouncing right off that 84.6 again, man. I don't know if I want to buy that level again. I wouldn't mind a pullback here though at this top of the hour. Yeah, Adam Mancini 4. He gives a good ES information. I may or may not post the newsletter in the Discord daily. I would never admit to doing something like that, but may or may not post it in there. Summary for tomorrow. We remain in a tight, complex technical range that is mostly 67.82 to 68.73. 68.13 a key support in the range and 43 a key resistance. My general lean is ES can fill out more. Bulls want to hold these support, then visit 68.43, dip, then range to 68.73. So we're right at the 43 right now. As always, no crystal balls, no predicting, no guessing, yada, yada, yada. Let me see. It's up to you whether you look at the newsletter or not. It's up to you. It's in there. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. Let me get this stuff in here. There we go. I got the levels updated. Boom. What's up, Jip Smith? How to get this data? You got to join the Discord. You'll see the Discord come up soon. iTrades, what's good? You'll see it come up in a minute. It'll be it's somewhere up there. Oh, there it is, like 4 or 5 up above Timbo. It says join my free Discord. Click the link. Punisher, Son of Wall Street, what up? I think so, Alfred, right now, 50% off Lucid. Or you could go Tradeify or Trade Day. Trade Day's pretty good. But probably Lucid right now is probably one of the better deals. Trade Day's pretty good too, though. I'm long, Punisher. To be me. I know you know that one, the little Tom Petty. Let's go. You're fading me? Oh, oof. I mean, you could be right. Lower high here. You could be right. We're going to learn a lot at the top of the hour, most likely. Little petty. Yeah, why not? We'll take it. Top of the hour coming up here in a moment. Couple of moments. I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to go Take one there, one off at the highs. We'll see. Looks bearish? Maybe. What up, Raul? $91 all in, end of day. No brainer for the Lucid. Yeah, you can get it for cheaper than that too, really. 50% off. If I had to pick one, I'm going with Take Profit Trader M. Clark number 1. We'll go with Lucid and Lucid Trade Day, My Fund of Futures, Tradeify, all right there together, like 2, 3, 4, 1A, 1B, 1C. Apex after that, and Bulanox. I like Apex a lot because of the, you can obviously have 20 accounts. So you could sneak them up in there. It really is just up to you whether you want to have 20 accounts or not, whether that's something that benefits you or not as a trader. It doesn't benefit everybody, let's be honest. It just doesn't. So, but I think Take Profit Trader with the daily payouts is leading the pack right now for the least amount of rules and that sort of thing. No BS, paying very quickly, that kind of thing. Lucid's paying quickly too, and so is My Fund of Futures, Tradeify. Trade Day. A lot of people sleep on Trade Day. Trade Day is basically a carbon copy of Take Profit Trader, but slightly cheaper. And people sleep on Trade Day. I'm not sure why. I don't have any Trade Day accounts right now, but I do want to get some. So, get a custom affiliate code with Bulanox. You just go in there and change it. So when you go into Bulanox affiliation link and you go to where the codes are, you click on affiliate, get coupon codes. There's a little bitty box that you can click on the side, and you can change the code to whatever you want. You got 4 Lucids. What's the difference? The Flex and the Pro? The Flex has no... Oh, I'm tagged in over here. The Flex has no consistency rule in the funded, and the Pro does. The Pro has no consistency rule in the eval, but the Flex does have a consistency in the eval. That's the main difference. Man, that gold trade just banged there. 3 for 3 on gold, guys. I didn't take that on the funded. I was looking for the lower ledge on the funded. Take Profit Trader, my code's MM. Only 15 likes, says Mr. Tactical Reviews. I agree. Let's go. Let's get it up there. Man, that's the type of gold trade I like right there, guys. That gold trade just smacked. I mean, that's what you're looking for right there. It's exactly what you're looking for. Look at that. Look at that. 0 drawdown gold trade there, pretty much. Yeah, iTrades, I agree. What up, Lazifer? 2 for 2, Doctito. Let's go. Yeah, that is so easy. I'm telling you guys, man, this gold strategy, I'm going to make the video tentatively tonight. And I'm going to post it Saturday morning for you guys to watch. I think. I mean, really, it's a pretty simple concept. You're long at 20.5041, looking for 100 points. Let's go. I love it. Stop pushing it up, Punisher. I can't, man. I'm long. What do you want me to do? What am I supposed to do? I don't know. iTrades, you don't like a $10,000 daily loss limit? Just kidding. I know what you mean. Listen, I don't mind the daily loss limit in the funded account. I think it helps you in the funded account. If you're going down $1,000 on a 50K account, you need to be stopped. You need to be stopped, 100%. I don't like it in the eval. That's all I don't like it in. But in the funded account, I think it helps you. Yeah, Roll, that's what I'm telling you. You can change the Bulanox code yourself. You don't have to request a custom one. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. I'm going to show you. So if you go to where it says Get Affiliate Coupons, right here, and you scroll down, right here there's an eraser. click on the eraser, and you can put whatever code you want in there and save it. If someone else has it, it's not going to let you select it, right? But yeah, that's the thing I like. There's one thing I do like about Belanox. They let you select your own code. We need to get together and spam Belanox to lower the activation fee. Yeah, I don't know if they'll do it. For sure, Alfred, for sure. That gold trade is very, very clean. Guys, I am taking another gold trade down here. This will be the funded trade, one of the funded trades. If we can push down to 67.4, I will buy that level. You can see it has been tested a little bit here. But check us out, guys. We are only $40 away from locking out daily payouts. Get to the daily payout level there. I'm taking one trade today, up 50 bucks on the golds. $150 a month for a 50K on Take Profit Trader. How much does your code take off? It's 102, M. Clark. 102 with the code. $102. Wow. I mean, why am I getting edged so much in the last few days? It doesn't want to do it. Oh. It helped, but it hurt some more than it helped. Yeah, that's how it goes, right? Come on. I mean, that's just ridiculous. What are we doing here? Get through there. I guess ES is at the VWAP. That must be the holdup. There we go. All right, this is the second run into the 90, so I am going to protect this position here with a break-even stop, I think. Probably get stopped. Yeah, immediately stops us out, but that's all right. That's all right. Now we are about to create another ledge over here on gold. Man, this is it'd be crazy if we created another one there. I don't know if I trust that one. I'm not sure. Can you trade gold in Apex? Nope. But you can trade it with everyone else. You always place your TP 20.25 lower than me? Uh-oh, Doc Tito. Rude. Hold on one second. Let me look at something. Triple top on the ES up there at the 46 level, 45s.
What's up, Counter Dealer? Sorry I didn't see your message.
Come on, Husk. Stop talking in the middle of my song. Obviously, he doesn't know that. You have to stop trading Asia. You're blowing accounts. Yeah, if you see you're blowing accounts, there's no point in trading it. What are we talking about, Alfred? Up or down? I lean up. I lean up. We're in a bit of an idiot box here. We're holding it. And what have we done since open? What have we done since open? Up. Now, theoretically, this is kind of trendline liquidity. We do still have the new day opening gap down here. So from that perspective, I'm going to lean long as we're above the PM high. We get back below the PM high, I'd look for us to fill the gap. So I'm going to look for traps kind of below this low here for the longs. 3 for 3 on gold tonight so far, though. 2 of the trades have been on evals, but that's all right. We don't mind it. I don't even know which one of these are my funded account. 1,000. I need to figure out how to tell which one of these trailer launch accounts are your funded and which ones aren't. I have no idea. I have no idea. But either ways, we're up $100 on one account, 50 on a funded account, and 37 on this eval that you guys are watching. So I'm looking for like some sort of trap here. Maybe retest the PM high, get down into the 50, look for the bounce. Dead center on gold. Yeah, we're about 50% of the range here. You could be aggressive here. We did just create another ledge on gold, but man, I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's probably wrong to buy that ledge again, but it might work. Let's see what's happening. What up? Trade for keeps. Joom here. I'm looking for that lower play on gold for the funded account play. If we don't get that lower play, I'm not going to take it, but I might buy the 5083.1 level again. I might buy that level again with bigger size and look for just 1 point. It's kind of what I'm thinking. It may not, you know, I'm going to look for 1 point with a little heavier size on that one. We'll see what happens with it. Tagged in, tagged out. Again, we went 10 micros on that ledge right there. 1 point. Just a little bounce. Like I said, that is a dangerous ledge. It's been tested over and over and over. But I'm okay with taking it for just a small bounce. We'll see if it would still pay 5 points. You'd need 5 points would be basically the high of this candle up here, 88. Look at there. Bam! It gave the 5 points too. So I'm up $188 on that one. I guess I need to unmute the mic. I muted it. My brother came in here. But yeah, sometimes you got to be willing to put the boys on the table there. Gold absolutely slapped there. I'm 4 for 4 tonight on gold, Cove. 4 for 4. Bam. Let's go. Banging it out. Let's go. Trade for keeps. What prop am I trading? AJ's. I'm trading all of them. What up, Mama Mia? 142's incoming, says Smokey. Earl's getting some movement. Yeah, too easy. What's up, happy kids? Yeah, I'm trading all of them. Take Profit Trader. Tonight, Traders Launch. Take Profit Trader, Apex, Buellanox, My Funded Futures. I mean, you name it. Lucid, we're trading it. We are trading it. We're trading the Daytona accounts from Fast Track still. I still got those active Daytona accounts. 100%. The Daytona accounts, for sure. Traders Lunch. AJ, Traders Lunch. That is what it is. We did pass. Today we passed our My Funded Futures eval. So we got a fresh funded account from My Funded Futures. We passed a second Traders Launch account. So we have 2 funded accounts from Traders Launch now. And we passed the 150K Take Profit Trader account. Someone told me there is a Telegram group from a prop that went under and people still using the accounts talking about it. I have no idea. Who is that? Which one's that? I don't know. I don't know. So my next buy level on gold's down there at, I'm actually looking for 5069, I think. We'll see. Cove, are you still smacking gold around at night or what? Smacking around the golds. All up from here? Maybe. Trade for keeps. I'm thinking about taking a long here. I like that. But here's the problem. It's like trying to determine when we're going to break out. I'm not a huge fan of doing that. I'm not a huge fan of doing that. But how hard could it be? He's the Golden Cove. Let's go. Oh, gold's just up from here. I don't know. It's pulling back again. I got one more trade on gold on the funded account. Hopefully that can take us to the daily payout land. Won't get us a daily payout, but I am not going to lie, guys. I am so tempted to just like go 5 minis on gold and just take one of these ledge trades for 1 point for $500. I am very tempted to do that. I never said I was a smart man. I won't do it, Cove. I did it last night. I went 5 minis for 3 points for $1,500 on the 150K account. And it won immediately. I'm not going to do it, Cove. I'll only do it if you do it. How much am I risking on gold? 15 points. But if I'm going for a 5 mini play, I mean, that's pretty much the account, right? It's pretty much the account. Man, this ledge here is just holding over and over, guys. Look at this thing. This ledge is just holding over and over and over. Man, it's insane. Yeah, I'm risking 15 points, but you got to remember, one thing you got to know is, hold on, let me add it up. We were 42 for 43 coming into the night. We've taken 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. So we're 46 for 47 on gold. We've taken 1 loss in 47 trades. So I think it's okay rolling with a negative R. What you think? Just bought the 50K with my code. How long does it take for the account to go active? Udaman, M. Clark. What type of account did you choose? If it's a Trade-A-Vid account, probably a few minutes. If it's a Ninja, if it's a Rhythmic account, you got to sign the forms. in I'm going to sign the forms in R Trader Pro, and then it'll be active after that. Looking for 86 points. Holy cow. I mean, you might get it. You never know. I mean, I wouldn't. You could actually short gold. You could really short gold up here at 5099.6. We're kind of in a bit of an idiot box right there on gold. I mean, look how many times this level has been rejected on gold. So if you're a brave person, you could short here. I'm not that brave. I'm not that brave. Yeah, if it's Trade of AM, just go ahead and pull your Trade of 8 up, log into it. It'll prompt you to, you know, sign a couple of forms, and then with just a few minutes, your data will be active. So, guys, I got to run into the other room for just a moment. Don't go anywhere. Hit the like button while I'm gone, and we'll do a giveaway when I get back. All right, you guys take any more trades for me? What happened? Y'all take any more trades? Oh, you take it every night? Nice. Man, I don't know if I got the balls to short gold here. What in the hell are we listening to? No, we're not listening to that. Not listening to that. Actually, you know what? I'll short. Well, do we short gold on the eval here? I could short it on the eval. I don't mind taking a short on the eval. Trade for keeps. What setup do you take every night? Post it in the Discord if you don't mind. I'll take a look at it. Blew your account before you got back? You're lying, M. Clark. I don't believe you. It smells like something's burning. All right, here we go, guys. Gonna pull back on Nasdaq and ES here. It's either gonna be, oh, I don't want that long there. It's either gonna be a trap short, or it's not. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna be a trap short or not. I don't know if it is or if it isn't. We're going to stab, though. Not sure. Line in the sand is kind of that 50 area. 56 area. PM high. We want to see a hole below, above that. It did bounce off of it 6 points already. But Alrighty. Now it's ready to go higher. It might be. You could be right. Tough to know. If we get back up into, if we can get back up into this range here, then I think that would be a little bit more confirmation. I mean, we talked about this a few minutes ago, right? A little liquidity grab. Let's get it to go higher. We'll see. Anybody got the stones to buy that 85 level again on gold? Anybody got the stones to buy it again? I don't know. Trading on YouTube, I did, Cove Trader. Even though I was not the first to be trading on YouTube, I was the first. I thought about it in my mind. I thought about it in my mind, and therefore I am the original. I am the inventor. I started it. I started it. And if you don't believe me, consult with Patrick Whelan. He'll tell you. I taught him everything he knows. We're on calls like twice a week. Going over his trades. I'm giving him a little pointers here and there. You know what I mean? Kind of looking like an M pattern here, to be honest. Look, this really could run through this level pretty quickly, right down to the 25,000s. If we get below the PM high, if we get a close below the PM high, I'll short. You witness this? My problem is, I keep trying to pick bottoms. Yeah, that's so tough to do, Blackout News. Exactly. Just ask PW. He'll tell you. He'll tell you. You was trading Forex when I knew you? Yeah, exactly. No, it wasn't Tom Sabo. Tom Sabo had nothing to do with it. Tom Sabo was still wetting his diapers when I created trading on YouTube. He was still wetting his diapers. Here's the thing. I could short this here and it might just bounce. I don't even know. But it feels like it wants to fill the gap. This is a 1 hour evening star. Is it just continuation doji on the 1 hour chart? We'll see. I don't know. Previous day value rotation set up with a few additional parameters. It plays out at 65% of the time. Nice. What up, Brock? How you doing? I'm the original. All right, I'm in, guys. We're with 3 micros here. I don't like that this wick is here. Oh, come on. Get me out there. There we go. I'll look for the gap fill now. Stop now really is just back above the PM high. Let's look for the gap fill. Lose 40 here. Not really a whole lot holding us up until we get down to the 28 area. I think 28 will be my break-even point. At this point, yeah. You're out, Design. What happened? You're in, I'm in. We're all in. You like the Packer shirt? Doc Tito, this is not a Packer shirt, bro. This is a Georgia Bulldog shirt. Let's go. What up, Eric? Kid Poker still around? He is. I talked to him the other night. He seemed to be doing pretty well. Short from 74. Awesome entry. I love it. I waited for a little extra confluence. Ohio shirt in the wash? Yeah, you know, that's one of the boys. That's not mine. So You see a little green, you start getting nervous. That's why you go in with more than one and you take a couple off and then you let it roll. You let it ride. You let it ride. All you got to do is hold. How hard could it be? Just ask Jay. All you got to do is hold. I hear Jay say that all the time. All I had to do was hold. That shit's hard. It's hard. Wrong color for the Bulldog shirt. How's it the wrong color? What do you mean? Look, it's gray and it's red, white, and black. Ha ha ha. Then it bends you over and you walk bow-legged for 3 weeks. Lassiter's still long. That's all right. It's all right, Lassiter. It's all right. I mean, we could bounce here. I mean, I want to see ES hold below 43. I want to see us kind of hold below this EMA and the PM high. If we don't, then we just get stopped. It's okay. It's all right. It's the hardest. Where are the other EMAs at? Where's all my EMAs? What's going on with my chart? Oh, I guess it's not showing that I have my extensions anymore. I guess we got to buy them again. Hey, Calvin Charles, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You only took one micro, it's kind of touchy. Yeah. I mean, it might go up, Joseph. Who knows? 730 on MGC, zero risk. Let's go. Yeah, gold's just pushing up here. All right, let me see here. Pay with Stripe. Oh, come on. Confirm it's me? What kind of stuff is this? I'm actually going to move my stop up here. I will add into this if I need to. Wait for the closer, the 1 hour candle, considering the last candle is pretty indecisive. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. All right, let me log back in over here so I can get my indicators back. Why is this thing not working? What's going on? Sign me in. What up, Dennis? Am I from Athens area since you're a Bulldog? Yes, I am, Dennis. I'm just outside of Athens. I'm born and raised here. Hey, magically, there's the indicators. Where you at? Where you at, Dennis? Change the color of the bar to E-color. That will help. Wow. Look at gold, just rocket ship. Look at the rocket ship. Oh, you're in Milledgeville. You're probably 2 hours from me then. I'm in Northeast Georgia, just outside of Athens, maybe like 15 minutes in Madison County. Well, this thing is not pushing down. It's being rude. It's being quite rude. It's doing the opposite of push down. It's pushing up. Yes, at the line in the sand right here. Line in the sand on the ES here. May as well give it a few more points. See if ES can hold. Doesn't look like it's going to hold though to me. Might just spam add here to try to get out. What do you guys think? Spam add, still have the stop at the high? Alright, sounds good. This is professional trading at its finest, just so you know. Just spam add until you get your average up there. If you guys are not familiar with this strategy, I will sell you this course. I will sell you the course, $1.99. Man, maybe I should have just got that out right there. I don't know. Maybe I should have just taken it off when it retested. It gave me the chance. It gave it to me. Oh, gold's ripping here. Look at gold to the moon. Wow. I'm killing it, guys. I'm not just going to keep that on. Really makes no sense, too. I think it's going up. It's going up! Look at gold ripping. I talked you into getting back short. Uh-oh. First TP 129, then 179. Let's go. Look at gold's just going, man. That thing's just ripping. Gold's not looking like it's coming back. Thing is, I was long up here too, and then I took the short. I mean, it's not anything that a little scalp can't fix, you know. Oh, you dirtiness. Look at that, guys. That's so dirty. I should have gave it another minute. That's all right. It's par for the course. Get you a 76 so you can get out of this turd, break even. There you go. Yeah, 2K flat, Kev. EMAs have crossed here to the upside. All right, I'm stabbing. Stabbing. I'm flipping. Looks like it might be rude. Might burn us both directions. That's really rude. Really rude. Let's go, design. Nice job. It just ripped me in both directions, guys. Both directions. We're full port right here. Port report. Bro, come on, man. Get up there. Hey, let's go. Oh. Nothing a little silver can't fix? Goodness. Dude, I was short too, man. I don't know. It was a little wild ride there. We got to calm this down. We got to pull the train back into the station here and calm down a little bit. We got to pull the train back into the station. Down $48 after all that. Oh my goodness. We were like, choo choo. Yeah, that's what that was, Raul, no doubt. Man, gold is just freaking ripping. It's just going to the moon here. It's giving me a little FOMO. Gold actually has a pretty obvious strong liquidity up there at 146.7. That could be a reasonable spot if you could pick up a few points short, but I don't know, man. It's tricky. Gold is just ripping. It's insane. We're all just diddlers. Diddling in the middle, yeah. This thing is just going, guys. I'm looking to see, like, I don't really see anywhere. I mean, I guess if you're looking for a few points on gold, I mean, like, I don't know. It's so tricky. Really kind of tricky. I'm probably not going to get any other trades on gold. It doesn't look like, as I'm not into shorting. And I'm not buying this breakout either, so. The gambling trades I tend to do on the NQ. Probably getting 17 silver contracts here if I were you. Yeah? Long or short? What do you think of design? If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We're going to do a giveaway in just a bit. Man, I'm so dumb on that short. I literally have my stop up here. Like, I don't know why I did that. You guys ever do that kind of stupid stuff where, like, you put your stop where it really needs to be? You switch your bias to the long. You take yourself out of the trade for a loss, and then it would have ended up getting you out anyway. That's why you're not supposed to panic, especially this time of night. And that was kind of a panic there. To the ticket, 29. Let's go. I could be the new Sir Stonk. That's okay. You're looking for 130. It's right there at it. Little wick test on the 30-minute. Look at the 1 minute right quick. We closed below in the 1 minute here already, so. All right, I'm going to take the short here. I'm going to have a hard stop on this, though. We're going to have a hard stop on this. Oh, you're long, Lassifer? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. You could be okay. Let's try it again. Why not? Let's try it again. I got to go break even here. I'm supposed to go break even here, but I'm not going to. Let it ride. That's supposed to be the break even, though. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Yeah, nothing wrong with that blackout news. Got to trade small size, though. Yeah, I traded the TPTs today. We're up $50 on the pro account. I didn't trade the evals yet. Come on. Get down there. Don't be dirty. Come on. I'm trying to give this a little bit of room. I should be at break even already, technically, but 2 minutes before the before we get to the macro here. There's that 130 on gold. Send this thing down. Where's Ponzi when you need him? Gap fill on the ES is at 68.26 as well. So about 8 more points to the downside there on the ES. Looking for gold to come back to 109 and add back into it. Let's go. Nice job. Trade for keeps. 109. Yeah, I like that area. That's kind of a retest of a little bit of an up-close ledge. We'll see. Come on, man. Can it just be easy for me once? Can it just be easy for me once? It can't be. It can't be. It just don't want to be. It don't want to be. It don't want to be. All right, get 10 minutes till top of the hour here. See if this thing starts to move lower. Add one here for a little scalp. Let's actually go 2 here for a little scalp. I don't really see any reason for this thing to go up. What up, TJ? Yeah, look at that thing. 51.41 straight up in there. I mean, possible short area 46.9 on gold, but I'm not going to take it. You could try to get a few points there maybe, but man, it's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. I feel like I've seen this story before. I feel like I've seen this story before. We didn't get a lower low there. That's a little bit of the scary thing, but other than that, I don't really see a whole lot of reason. We'll see. CFL, go Dogs. Let's go. Guys, we got 53 likes, 109 people watching. What's up with gold? No news. It just ran that 51.48.6 level that I was talking about. Like I said, you could get 46.7. You could get a few points here on gold, but it's very, very scary. You're kind of stepping in front of a freight train, to be honest. There's 3 points. I'm long, or yeah, I'm short, TJ. I forgot what direction I was in. I'm short. Short. I got trapped in a short earlier. I flipped long. I lost both. So I'm not going to let it do that again. I mean, you got lower high, lower high, lower high. I don't, we'll see. Yeah, so up to 15-minute gap, there's a wick there as well. Your TP was at 99, it never hit you. It came close, though, didn't it? It came close. Not seeing it well tonight. Not seeing it well. You have days like this, right? So you may as well just keep, if you need to keep the losses small is what I need to do. Hit the like button. I did design. Did I win? Did I win? Tell me if I won. Let me look. Did I win on silver? Oh, I did. I won. 100% we won. We would have won. We rich. Everyone rich. Everyone very rich. Very rich. Top of the hour here in about 5 minutes. This is a new 5-minute candle here. Holding up right at the 21 EMA on the 5-minute for now. Looking like it wants to push above it. We'll see. You got a few points off that level I was talking about over there on gold. Not a bunch, but well, it's like 4 or 5 points so far. Rude. I do think that ES probably gets through that key level there this time. They rejected it last time, but I'm not so sure we get it again. Rude. What'd you miss? You missed me losing over here on the NQ. All right, we're going to try it again. All right, let's see. Can we get back below the entry this time? Try to get out break even here if we can. This is the way you should do this. Whenever you're trapped in a trade, this is what you should do. Not. Get down there! You gotta yell at it. Gold's being your baby, yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get out. Guys, we are seeing the market so well tonight. So well. Do I kill this here or what? Anybody get that trade? Drop the W's in the chat. Just kidding. Any vaults on Blue Guardian? I don't know who they are. I don't know who Blue Guardian is. So I don't know anything about them. Hi, trades went for a walk. Let's go. You hope it comes back. Yeah, Diamond. It's always a good strat at night. Break even? Let's go. Yeah, I'm not seeing it that well tonight, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. Just not seeing it well. Not trading well. Sometimes you have those nights like that, right? And it's kind of, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait here. I'm going to wait until something's obvious because I'm just not seeing it well. I mean, overall, still looks bearish to me, but there are a lot of wicks up there on the 5-minute that we left up there near the highs. So let's just take a little breather and give this thing time to kind of give us some sort of indicator as to where we think it might go. We'll see. You haven't been seeing it well since November? Yeah, me either. Not great. Gold's paying pretty decent over here, though. 146.6 short. Gave about 5 points. Earl's flying. EQ is the last. Sometimes to me is like that Tuesday. Yeah. You love a pullback to enter on cash, but trading PAs right now. But the thing is, as long as we hold the PM high here, I'm thinking that we go up, but like we keep kind of trapping below it. Just kind of thought we filled the gap there. You're just not doing it. What is the range tonight? Actually, a pretty small range, only 83 points. No real reason to be getting in trouble like this with 83-point range. He was only got stopped at plus 50 bucks. Oh, dang. Definitely got to watch oil and gold right now if you're trading in QRES. Yeah. Blackout news. I don't know if we get that kind of correction. We could, but I'm not sure. All right. Again, we're going to have a little cool down session here. Going to wait. What up, Ben Brown? Yeah, I get what you're saying. 10-15% in one night would be would be hitting all kind of circuit breakers. See, I keep getting out, and then it just keeps turning back down, and then I get back in, and then it goes back up, and then, you know, it's just what it does. Trading under a bearish golden pocket. Yeah, makes sense. Let's kind of give it a few minutes here. Somehow we're actually green, $21. Feels like we should be red. Feels like we should be red. Do we leave equal lows down here? Let me see. Nope. This might be the breakout here. Where's my other gold? Okay, there it is. You see, that's the level I was talking about there with gold. You could pick up a few points, potentially. 10 points, basically. Obviously, we didn't take that because I'm not shorting a freight train. Not shorting a freight train. Most stocks are already down 30%, so getting a 10 to 15 correction is probably not realistic. Yeah, probably true. Looks like a breakout here on the 5-minute. But, again, tricky. Just lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. You know. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I feel like ES has got to get back above the 43, 42 area. 43. In order to kind of take off. Quantier have a mobile app? I don't think so. But I could be wrong, but I don't think so. All right, should we do a giveaway tonight? What do you guys think? Giveaway? All right. All right, we'll do a giveaway. Let me edit this. There we go. Let's go. Exclamation point MM to enter the giveaway.
Criminal. 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 Criminal.
I'm a criminal, guys. Yeah, Roll, you noticed that, huh? Man, that short is banging on gold there. Up 15 points already. 1 million Hungarian forint. Give it a try, Kev. Give it a try. Can I get a micro trade for 20 ticks? What do you think? Can we find it? I don't really have a spot to buy on gold right now when it's up this high. It's going to have to create another ledge for me to do it. Can't even get a micro trade for 1 tick. Oh. Oh.
My dick shrunk smaller, but my balls got larger.
Oh. I don't know what they said. Just Long Earl? I can't. Long Earl with a funded account? All right, we might create another ledge here on gold, and it's very high. It's the only thing that's a little scary. No, I guess it's not going to create a swing just yet. I'm watching the ES here, guys. If it breaks above 43, I'm going to long. We'll long, what do you think? Like 40, a scalp, 46. So if it can pop above 43 here, I'm just going to take a 3-point scalp into 46. All right, we tapped 43 there. Let's see if we can pop through there on the ES. Can we pop through there? There it goes. I'm long. Long ES looking for 46. Watching the Nasdaq very closely. If it takes the high here, I will go break even. So if Nasdaq takes the high, I'm going to go break even. Nasdaq's a little stronger here. I'm actually just going to cover the position if Nasdaq takes the high, or when it does. Nasdaq's definitely stronger. Oh, come on. What's this frozen? There we go. It's taking it off. Missed the gold. Kaboosh. Yeah. The rippage. All right, we're creating a higher ledge on gold. I'm going to tell you, this ledge will be dangerous because it's so high. That being said, I don't think I'm going to take it on the pro account. I might give it a try on the eval, which means it will work. Up $105 after that ES scalp there. It did not hit the target yet. It might get there. Got relative equal highs at 845.75. All right, I will try the gold trade here on an evaluation. Long 51.32 gold. Let's go. Lunchtime high. I'm tagged in on gold here. Nasdaq's ripping. Lunchtime high incoming. Dash cam going wild. Here we go. There we are. Can gold rip it up here? I'm a huge fan of the fast trades on gold. I guess it would have hit my TP there, but I had no idea. No way of knowing that. Let's get our stop in on gold. Again, this ledge is very high, but we're gonna try it. If gold is overall still bullish, it still should give us 5 points or something, or so. I am Cornholio. I need TP for me bunghole. Very close. What are you doing, gold? Get up there. Get up there, bro. TP on MEQ hit. Let's go. Nice job. I mean, I'm telling you guys, like, I've been getting edged for like 3 straight days on my TPs. That was 3 ticks away. 3 ticks away. ES pulling back here. Nasdaq trying to come back down. Maybe rebalance that 90 area one more time. New candle on gold in 1 minute. On the 5 minute here. If we get another pushback up into that wick high here, I'm going to throw the stop in. I probably should have threw it in there. Comes that close, you expect it to kind of hit. you guys haven't yet, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're new here. We do appreciate you. Enter the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Those are kind of weak looking 5-minute candles. That green was kind of an indecisive candle. Inside bar here. Kind of a sign of potentially chop, which is okay. That means we might range. What up, Matt Rad? How you doing? Tried a little short on gold at 51.41. Took it for 115. Nice. Got wicks on both sides here. Spreads can be pretty big on gold. Had to turn on bid and ask line so I could figure out why I kept getting wicked at your TPs. Even on micro gold, the spread is bad too. Is it worse on micros or GC? MGC or GC? I don't know. This trade sure is taking a minute. 12 ticks. Dang. Still wide on MGC. You're actually not sure how people trade gold without a DOM. I don't use the DOM. That is pretty crazy. 12 ticks. Dang. Nasdaq pushing up there, trying to make its way to that lunchtime high. Didn't really build out a bull flag per se. Gold is kind of flagging. Jumps around, pretty much tighten up. Definitely worse on minis though, yeah. Still salty about that 280 random drop earlier today. Yeah. It was kind of out of nowhere, wasn't it? I heard a lot of people got caught in that. I was luckily I avoided it. I actually entered the short. I was long, and then I saw the short setup and I entered the short, but I got stopped break even on my runner and then it dropped a huge amount. So probably like 41, somewhere in there. I'm going to go stop to break even here. I want to really just see it kind of expand up into that area. All right, stops in here. I don't really want to see it come back at this point. I want to see it just push on through there, hit the target. Break even's not really a thing with this strategy. I'm really not supposed to go break even. But yeah, it got me. That's all right. That's all right. Pull back into the EMAs here. I could potentially stab long again. On Nasdaq, you do not approve. Oh, you're going back and forth between mine and Husk? All right. He sucks, Francis. I'm just telling you. Oh. He sucks. Bull flag looking on gold, though. It still looks bull flaggish here. Pretty bull flaggy. His risk management is on point. Yeah, he definitely uses stops well. He learned from the best. You know, I had to bend him over and spank him a few times. You know what I mean? He did enjoy it, to be honest. But obviously I'm kidding. Obviously I'm kidding. Clambo doesn't use stops. Mental stops. He does use a stop. He uses his count as a stop. Right? He uses the account. It's a thing. It's a thing. Anybody else watch Sam Crack? Anybody watch Sam Crack on YouTube? For whatever reason, I really like watching his videos. No yawning sinister. I can't help it, man. I'm tired. I'm tired. You're watching MM Crack? Yeah, the car channel, Larry. Yeah. You know, if you remember a few months back, he had a porn star on his channel and he got in trouble for it. If you guys remember that. The stepmom lady. That was kind of funny. He was like, I got to fix my stepmom's car. Oh, it was hilarious. I mean, we definitely got a little support here on gold. I mean, it's holding this level pretty good. If it loses it, it could be a decent drop, but it's kind of holding it right now. Kind of getting tighter and tighter here on gold. New 5-minute candle and 30-minute and 15-minute candle in about 45 seconds. Does that take us through the lunchtime high here? Do I just buy up here and just, you know, hold it? What do you guys think? Do I use the dollar, one trade in gold? No. I don't watch the dollar anymore. I used to. I mean, 5-minute looks bull flaggy here on gold, definitely. I'm probably going to take this trade here a little long. Let me see. This is to inform trader that I was in Apex 50k PA. I was up 51 and then hit daily loss limit in 2.8. My balance was 48,912. You was at Apex 50k. You were up 51,100. Then hit daily loss limit 2 days in a row. Yeah, it looks like the account was blown, Jazz. You only got $2,000 in drawdown, and that's $2,000. Looks like you blew the account. That sucks. Oh, what did Francis say? Did I miss Francis' comment? Do we take this long? I think so. I'm not gonna not gonna give it a huge amount of room. A few points. Why not? Make sure I'm not missing anything here. I'm not. Gold compressing. She's dead. Yeah, the account went bye-bye. Yeah, 100%. Darn it. It looked like we were about to bounce there. What happened? Rude. Well, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do. It's time to go down or go up. Might just kill this trade. Let's see. Gold is trying to bounce again. Oh. All right. Doesn't hold this level, I'm out. We're doing really good at buying tops and all that, selling the bottoms and all that stuff today. Souls down. ES back to that 42. We got to hold here. Get back above 93. I'm going to add here 2 more. This is the line in the sand on the ES here. If it doesn't hold this level, then we're going to just go back down. All right, let's see if we can push back above that whole number. Should get a little squeeze going if we can. Let's see if we can do it. Did without me. Well, it does not look like it's doing it. Da-da-da-da-da. 1 minute on this candle. I'm probably just going to be closing this. Probably just going to close it. ES losing that level there that I want to see it hold. Gold ripped below that ledge finally. I don't know, routine. I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it. Sure is struggling. If this candle closes below 88, I'm out. I'll be out at that point. 'Cause at that point, I think it's probably just going to go down. Not quite. We get another run into that 96. We should get through there this time. If we can get another run going into it. Yes, got to recover 43 here as well. Not looking good. Yeah, it's tough for me to read tonight, Coach Fred. I'm not doing a very good job. Not doing a very good job. Gold's pulling back pretty heavy now. Gold is still pulling back. Got to call in June. Oh, you missed most of the evening. Probably not a bad thing. Try to give myself a little cool down period, and it still doesn't even seem to have helped. Very tiny scalp, long on gold. Yeah, I've done well on gold. I mean, I'm up 367 on that account. And $50. 5 for 5 on gold, actually. Actually, 6 for 6. I took another gold trade. You guys didn't see it, but we scalped it again. We get one more run going here. We should be able to get through there. Just got to get another run going. As long as you work with me and help me out in the future, I'll just call the platform and tell him to shift some of my extra profits to your account. Yeah, that'd be nice, huh? Oh, the prop verb. That's funny. We pop 95 here. We probably get a quick squeeze into that 110. Got to kind of pop this, get a close above it. Got to get it going. Oh, yeah, that'd be nice. Don't think it works that way, unfortunately. Well, we're just waiting, guys. It's either going to end up a win or a loss. 23,066 Marco Polo trading. You think so? 23,066. Holy cow. You think we're going down 2,000 points? Or do you mean 25,066? I hope you mean 25. Oh, okay. That's better, Marco. I was going to say, holy smokes. Only goes up. Well. We are building a little base here. Gold's trying to start the move back up here, 135s. I'm trying to average out of this right quick. No more. Wow. This is very grindy. Not in the direction that I am trying to get it to grind in. I had to make a comment over there. Make a comment over there in Husk stream. Is this my chance just to kill it? Oh, come on. Go! Rip it up there, guy. Come on. Telling me you're going to test the 96 and just not go? No, man. Just a few minutes. Just a few minutes. Give me just a couple of minutes and we'll get it going. That was rude, man. Just touch my average. Just touched my average and then said, no, not tonight. Quite rude. You're getting old and can't hang late? Yeah. What up, Tim? How you doing? Oh, yeah, I can't help it. Doing all right, Tim. Not seeing it too good tonight. The diaper looks heavy again? No, no, no. I hope not. I'm tempted to just add here. I'm thinking about just adding here for a little pop. All right. Little DCA will fix it. Yeah, maybe. What do you guys think? Should we do the shotgun or not? Let's get the little poll going. Oh, I guess I need to do a poll, not a... Shotgun, shotgun. Gold looks like it's about to freaking blast off. Gold looks like it's about to just absolutely explode here. Shotgun for 30 seconds. That candle's not closing very good on the over there on gold. It looked like it was primed to take off, and then it just, that candle's now closing weak. Weak, weak, weak. And our friend silver, along with oil. This thing is not looking bouncy. It's not looking bouncy. Gonna add here on a retest of the VWAP. I'm going to kill this break even, guys. If we just get back to the break even, I'm killing it. I'm going to kill it. Just cover the Kamish. The Kamish. The Kamish. I've done this far too many times tonight. Alright, I'm just going to kill it, guys. Take the small red. Not going to sit here and try to fight that all night. Let's just take the small red while we can. It might still go, but you know how that goes. I mean, you know. Top of the hour here in a couple of minutes. Let's see what it brings. Yeah, we're just not seeing it well tonight at all, guys. Not seeing it well at all. Too aggressive, buying the highs, selling the lows. You know what I'm doing. All the things that you're not supposed to do. Hey, take this L, man. I did. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription, you the man. Josh, no. I would not trade a funded account in the spending payout. Never. Never, bro. I wouldn't do it. I was inspired by design, and I decided to full port gold for 1 point. He said full port oil, Earl, silver, or gold. And I decided to go with gold and get back to green. That's how quick oil can, or gold can just give you what you need. She can just come in there and give you a little back massage. So. Oh, you got your TP hit, Tim. Let's go. Sad to say. See the LRLR on gold. I mean, to the upside, yeah. I mean, it could break out pretty hefty here. It could. All right, what do we got on the poll here? 80% want to do the shotgun. All right, I'd say that's enough votes. Shotgun means, guys, we are going to restart the giveaway. There was over 200 people in the giveaway anyway. There was 196 people, and we only got 139 watching. Have I tried Hypertix? No. Yeah, design, I do too. I haven't tried Hypertix. I've heard some negative things about them, though. I really have. All right, guys, what are we going to do? How long y'all want to do? Let me start the poll. Let's see how long you guys want to do. How long should we do the giveaway? We're going to go 30. 30 seconds or 2 minutes. Those are the options. 30 seconds or 2 minutes. $24-hour. You're still wanting to go active. They're stalling you out. That's crazy. It shouldn't take 24 hours. It should just take a little bit. All right, we got 30 seconds. Can't finish peeing in 30 seconds? Man, everybody wants 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds it is. Gold is breaking this bull flag, guys. I'm not going to be shocked. Gold should rip up to about 143 here. All right, let me see if I can even do it for... Can I even do this for 30 seconds? Hmm. .5? It won't even let me do... Will it let me do it? Must be an integral... I think it will only let me do a minute, guys. Yeah, it's only going to let me do a minute. 33.8 entry, nice. I think gold's about to take off here. It's about to rip. Do I get back in for another full port scalp here? I mean, what could go wrong, right? All right, guys, get your orders, get your accounts ready. We're going to do the giveaway here in just a minute. Yeah, I've heard some negative stuff about them. I don't know anything about them, but I have not heard great things, so... Get your alt accounts up. We just full ported gold again. Made another $200. Made another $200 on gold. Let's go. All right, you guys ready for this giveaway? And get ready. On your marks, get set. Go. Go? How about go? All right. $35 seconds. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway. Man, why did I close my long? I literally took the loss on the long at the bottom. Matthias Spivokov. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Get in that giveaway. 10 seconds. I'm telling you guys, gold is about to moonshot here. Sinister Scalper, you are the winner. Sinister Scalper, are you here? sinister scalper, where you at?
What are you doing?
Streaming. What's on your nose?
What do you mean?
Oh, there's something right there.
Fuzz? I know what car I want.
Huh. Car. Mm-hmm. I literally showed you that before and you said it were ugly.
You showed me that two-door one. That was ugly. I don't want a two-door.
Methodicalman@gmail.com. Sinister Scalper. Send me over your screenshot. Show me that you're logged in to your account. To methodicalman@gmail.com. I'll get you a code over for Apex. Apex. What?
That's the car I want.
Okay. He's not here. Next. The chat blocked me from sending, said I was spamming. What? Sending what? Your exclamation MM? M, you're probably in there. Let me check. Are you in there? Let me see. I don't see you. What are you sending me over there, Matt? All right, have a good night, bud. Hey, Daryl, how you doing? Daryl Himbrador, how you doing, bud? Yeah, I don't know if you got in or not in. I couldn't tell. I don't see your name anywhere. I could be wrong. Constantine C, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I fully expect gold to at least push up to 143.2 here. At least push up to there. You got kind of a trend line here on a bull flag, so I expect it to run that trend line liquidity. And look, guys, I mean, I'm not lying about the full porch. You guys think I'm lying? Bam. The port report is in order. Yeah, it's crazy, M. Clark. I don't know. I don't know why it would do that. I'm sorry. ES is right back to that 60, 80, 43 level. Well, that's definitely not where I wanted that to go. What happened there? Come on, dude. I don't know where my charts are now. Which one's which? There's the gold. Okay, there's the one. The hell? I can't move this chart. What is going on here? All right, this is being wild here. Charts are all messed up now. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. Just a simple split screen. What up, Trimakasi? Working late? Let's go. Told me to wait if you... Oh, yeah, you said that. Yeah, it's a bad night to watch me tonight. Gold, I've been killing it. I don't know. We're like 8 for 8 on gold or something, but We are not doing well on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq slapping us around a little, like a little, you know the word. You know the word. Like a little choir boy. Because we are just a little choir boy. That's all we are. All right, can we hit that target on gold? Anybody still holding gold long here for this bull flag break? Little bull flag break. Very small, Coach Fred. Let's go. Thank you, Trim. Appreciate that. You re-answered way too late. It's going to hit, Coach Fred. 100%. This is hitting this level. That's the Tom Sabo guarantee. Otherwise, he eats dog poop. It's the Tom Sabo guarantee here. I called him before this happened. He said 100% it's hitting the 143.2. Probably just a nice little wick right through there. Methodical, why aren't you in it? Well, this is not my entry model. Neither is the full port, but you know, when you get away with something, you just kind of you take your win and you go about your merry way. You're always in a trade? Yeah. ATR's died off over here on Nasdaq. Let's see if it hit on actual GC. Where's my GC chart at? Oh, do I not have one open? These are all MGC. I don't know. I guess I don't have one open. I don't know if it actually hit on GC. Appreciate you, Sinister. Should hit here. Should hit. Oh, wait. I got GC right here. Let me see. Nope. Did not hit on GC either. I think it left equal highs, in fact. Yeah, basically left equal highs there. Off by a tick. Sitting on top stacked EMA 5 and 15 minute, but it's sitting in that bearish gap. So it's probably going to chop before it decides which direction to break towards. I would imagine you're probably right. We did create another ledge up here, but so scary. Did that first ledge lose? Let me look. 37.5. Yeah, it went like 16 points. Well, we came one tick away from running that entire trend line. There on gold. Adding at 38.5. I don't hate it. Get a little chase play going here. Why not? Let me join in with you guys. What's the worst that could happen? What's the worst? What do you guys think the worst that can happen is? It pulls back and we get wrecked? Good point. Remember, I'm seeing it very well tonight. No, we're not. But that's okay. Probably going to turn out to be an excellent trade. Rip it! A previous 1 hour candle is inside consolidation candle. This is waiting to pick sides. Told you that Tom Sabo guarantee don't miss. I told you. I only look at the 5-minute chart, Tashi, on gold. I don't even watch any other time frame. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I only watch the 5-minute chart. Don't ask me why. I don't know. It's the one I like. It's the one I find my entries on, so... No, I don't even have the WeWap on here. Where's the WeWap? I don't even have the gold WeWap on here. Down here. Got filled, one ad. Let's go. This will be another buy area, potentially, but man, it's a scary, scary buy area because we're so high here. We never got to that A+ kind of buy area that I was looking for down here at 69, but you can see how well these ledges work, though. Bought this one here, I think on this account. You can see here. Bought this ledge, winner. Bought this ledge, winner. Scalpy, 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 all winners for 10 micros. This one I stopped out break even on 1 micro, but 10 micros, 10 micros. And then this one, 10 micros, 10 micros, 1 micro. So that puts us at, this was the one that only traded gold up 367. This one traded both gold and Nasdaq, mostly red on Nasdaq, up 315. Not too far away from passing that one, about $640. And then we took one funded trade on gold, $49. $49. We are very close to the daily payout level. $40 away from being at the daily payout level on the Take Profit Trader Pro account. So yeah, looking good. So thank you, Rafi. We're doing pretty well with gold. I mean, I've certainly taken some gold trades that don't make sense, but I don't know. They've been working well. I'm going to start kind of implementing mostly my my funded trades on gold as well. So Looking for it to get to 147 before you might find some weakness. Let's go. Yeah, yours down there at 51. Yeah, that's where mine is too. I just didn't have it turned on. 147. That's where it's at. It's coming back to it. You can see even that trade. I mean, we ran buy side. This actually became a protected high. I don't know how well those work on gold though. That high. I mean, I don't know if there's protected highs on gold or not. But I mean, it did find a bottom and kind of bounced. It just broke out of consolidation. Nice. Let's go, Tashi. $175.4 at some point. It probably will. Here's the thing, guys. Like, I mean, theoretically, we've kind of created another little small range. I mean, you could buy this if it pulled back here. I think it probably works, but what time is it? All right, guys, I've overstayed my welcome here. We will be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Guys, we do stream live 9:15 a.m. to 11:15, and then we are over on My Funded TV. Tomorrow we'll be there by ourselves. Bull Barbie won't be there. So I would appreciate it if you guys do join us. We do giveaways over on My Funded TV as well. So it would be nice if you guys join us for that. I'll be back Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, and we'll be here Sunday 6 to 10. I do appreciate you guys watching, and if you guys want to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and if you want to help support the channel, you coupon code MM on all the prop firms except for Apex. Apex, the code is MYTH Myth. E8 Markets, the code is MYTH Myth. And the futures desk, it is MMM. But Buellanox, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Tradeify, Funded Futures Network, Day Traders, Lucid, and Funded Next, it is MM. So if you want to support the channel, good to go. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash